Chicken lasagna is a classic dish that everyone loves, but it can be time consuming and complicated to make. That's why I am going to share with you some tips and tricks to make it easier and faster without compromising on the taste and quality. Hi everyone, welcome to Blogging with Food. I am Hannah. You will need some basic ingredients such as 1 kg or 2 lip chicken breast, skinless, boneless, 2 cups or 500 ml milk, any fat percent, 1/2 teaspoon dried thyme or 2 springs fresh, 50 grams or 3 tablespoon butter, 1/4 cup or 40 gram flour, 2 cups or 200 gram mozzarella cheese shredded, 1/2 cup or 50 gram parmesan cheese finely grated, salt and pepper to taste, 250 gram or 8 oz mushrooms sliced, 2 garlic cloves minced, 250 gram or 8 oz ricotta cheese, 1 egg, 1/4 cup or 15 gram parsley, finely chopped, 9 fresh lasagna sheets. Step 1. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius and grease a 9 by 13 inch baking dish. Step 2. Cook the chicken in a skillet over medium-high heat, stirring occasionally until golden and cooked through, about 15 minutes. You can season it with salt, pepper, garlic, and any other spices you like. Then shred it with 2 forks or chop it into small pieces. Step 3. In a large pot of boiling water, cook the lasagna noodles according to the package directions until al dente, about 10 minutes. Drain them and rinse them with cold water to prevent sticking. Step 4. In a small bowl, whisk together the ricotta cheese, egg and parsley. This will add some creaminess and flavor to your lasagna. Step 5. In a medium saucepan over low heat, warm up the marinara sauce. You can use store-bought or homemade sauce, depending on your preference. You can also add some extra ingredients such as basil, oregano, or red pepper flakes to spice it up. Step 6. Now it's time to assemble your lasagna. Start by spreading a thin layer of sauce over the bottom of the baking dish. Then arrange a single layer of noodles over the sauce, slightly overlapping them. Step 7. Spread half of the ricotta mixture over the noodles, followed by half of the chicken and half of the mozzarella cheese. Repeat with another layer of sauce, noodles, ricotta, chicken and cheese. Finally, top with the remaining sauce and cheese and sprinkle some parmesan cheese over it. Step 8. Bake your lasagna in the oven for 25 to 30 minutes until the cheese is melted and bubbly. Let it rest for 10 minutes before cutting and serving. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. Also, don't forget to check out my website blogginggoodfood.com, where you can find more recipes and buy affordable kitchenware products.